Carter Bluebottle, the Dragonfly. Are you looking for an early children's reader book as a gift? Well, here it is, spreading the Carter the Bluebottle, the Dragonfly story around the world. Ordering details are provided at the end. Great little story, if I must say so. R.J. Friesen, self-publisher. Trip around the world. Look where we are. Fort Macleod, Alberta. Here's a picture of Carter at the Fort Macleod Library. Also, at the Fort Macleod Craft Show. There's a picture of where Fort Macleod is. Please click on the link. Thanks and enjoy. Goodbye.